Hi, this video is going to go over how to use the database Dissertations and Theses. So we're starting on our library homepage here. We're going to scroll down to databases A to Z. This is going to give us a listing of all of the databases that the library has to offer. They're automatically listed in alphabetical order, or if you like, you can go by what subject you're looking for. For this, I'm just going to scroll down to D, or you can select the D here in the alphabetical listing. And it says we have two databases found under the letter D, and we're looking at Dissertations and Theses. So this is a database with over 1 million dissertations and theses from universities across the nation and across the world. Here we land on our advanced search screen. You can type in whatever your keywords are. If you want to look up by author or university or institution, you can. We're not going to do that in this demo today. You also have the option to choose between if you're looking at master's theses or dissertations. If you don't select one or the other, your results list will come up with both. So maybe we're looking at educational policy and discrimination. We can just hit enter to do our search. Here's our results list. We have over 232,000 dissertations and theses that came up. It's automatically sorted by most recent publication first, and so I'm going to go ahead and change that to have it sort by relevance, because that's going to come up with more relevant results in your list based on the algorithms that the database is using. So each one of these is a different dissertation or thesis. The blue is the title of the item. Underneath that is the author, the university it was published by, and then the year. Before we go and look at the actual dissertations and theses, I want to point out there are a couple more limiters here on our left-hand side that you might find useful. You have the option to limit to only full text so that everything that shows up in your results will definitely have the full text immediately available. You can sort by publication date. This is showing us how frequently the dissertations and theses came out in different decades. We can also enter a date range there if you maybe only want something in the last 5 years. And then there are a few additional limiters here. So to get to our full text of one of our articles, we can use our links down here. If you like, you can look at the abstract first, which is actually what I recommend as a time-saving technique. You can read the abstract or the summary of the item before going and reading a very long dissertation or thesis and realizing it's not what you need. So once you read the abstract and decide that this is appropriate for your research, then you have the option to click this full text PDF link here, and that will open a window with the PDF of the dissertation or thesis that you are looking at. You have a couple options to save this. Up here we've got a menu on the right hand side. You can download the PDF directly. You can get a citation of it. You can email it to yourself, or you can select all options and see a few more options to print, or maybe you want to save it to your Google Drive if you're logged in. That's our basic overview of dissertations and theses. Thanks for watching.